Fatty liver. It sounds harmless, doesn't it? But don't let the name fool you. This condition, medically known as hepatic steatosis, can quietly wreak havoc on your health if left unchecked. What makes it so concerning is that most people don't even know they have it until routine blood work or a scan reveals the problem. Let me take you on a journey to understand what's really going on inside your body when fat starts invading your liver, and more importantly, how you can fight back. Imagine your liver as a bustling city responsible for over 500 vital functions, including detoxifying your blood, breaking down fats, and storing energy. But just like any city, when it's overwhelmed, chaos ensues. When excess fat builds up in your liver, it disrupts its natural rhythm, setting the stage for inflammation and scarring. This can eventually lead to conditions like non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, NASH, cirrhosis, and even liver cancer. But here's the twist. You don't need to be a heavy drinker to develop a fatty liver. The culprits: a high sugar diet, processed foods, obesity, insulin resistance, and sometimes genetics. It's even more alarming that about 25% of adults worldwide are estimated to have this condition, and most don't realize it. Now I know what you're thinking. Is there a way to reverse this? The answer is yes, and it starts with lifestyle changes that may surprise you. The key isn't just losing weight, though that certainly helps. Research shows that shedding even 5% of your body weight can reduce liver fat significantly. But here's the exciting part. It's not just about calories. Let's talk food. Instead of focusing on cutting fat, focus on cutting sugar. Fructose, found in sugary drinks and snacks, is particularly damaging to your liver. Swap that soda for water or herbal tea, and your liver will thank you. The Mediterranean diet, rich in olive oil, nuts, and leafy greens, is one of the best for reversing fatty liver. Studies suggest that its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties can help heal your liver over time. Exercise. You don't need to become a marathon runner. Just 30 minutes of moderate activity a day, think brisk walking or cycling, can dramatically reduce liver fat. Even resistance training has shown promising results. But here's the bonus tip for you. Coffee. Yes, you heard that right. Multiple studies have shown that drinking 2 to 3 cups of coffee a day may reduce liver inflammation and lower your risk of fibrosis. Just go easy on the sugar and cream. Now let's not forget the importance of sleep. Poor sleep, particularly due to conditions like sleep apnea, can worsen fatty liver disease. Prioritizing a good night's sleep may be one of the easiest steps to protect your liver. If you're already dealing with this condition, don't panic. Advances in medical research have brought promising treatments, including medications under development that target fat accumulation and inflammation. But remember, prevention remains the best cure. So what's the moral of this story? Your liver works hard for you, day and night. It's time to return the favor. Start small, make informed choices, and your liver will bounce back stronger than ever. And isn't that a happy ending worth striving for?